Hello everyone, 2 weeks back we had a launch of Codex OpenAI, and today it was available for all the pro users as an option. So I will go a little bit about taking a hands-on for all of you who are interested, especially for the people who are looking to start developing or for beginner level. This is an amazing platform, and I've done few talks about this and a newsletter about this and how this is working. This is something that is inbuilt in your OpenAI ChatGPT interface, wherein you can connect with your GitHub and start using it for your specific tasks that are there. So if you can see the benchmarks that are there, it is slightly doing better than O3 High, the reasoning model that was there, the SFE, the software engineering benchmark. It is doing amazing. It is doing much better than anything that has been there till the OpenAI models that are there, and they are using something new. They are using a specific different model called Codex One as of now. So we will be seeing a lot of things about this. So they have talked about some of the use cases on the website, and you can have a look about how they are doing it. And the best thing about this is you can connect it with your GitHub and start working with it as your team as well. So now we will open ChatGPT. If all of you can see that there is an option here called Codex, and I'm using it for the first time and I'm exploring it with you as well. So now you can see it is mentioning as research preview, and it is mentioning a cloud-based software engineering agent that answers code-based questions, executes code, and drafts pull requests. So if you know how to use with GitHub is push and pull, so this is going to be closely working with your GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub right now, look at our videos that are there in our channel that you can get access to GitHub, have a GitHub repository, learn about GitHub. You can use Codex only if you have a GitHub profile and you are connecting it both together. So I click get started. If I click get started, then it is asking us to connect to GitHub. So if you can see, there are different things that are there. Your software engineering agent drafts GitHub's PR in parallel, navigate your code base, runs lints and test, powered by a new coding model called Codex One, fine-tuned to work in large code base. So this is very, very specific. So I click GitHub. Then this page will redirect to GitHub. So I am giving permissions for my Codex ChatGPT to get connected to my GitHub that is there. So I just do continue with GitHub. I will ask it to authorize ChatGPT connector. So you can just make sure everything is fine, your connections are fine and everything, and then you do authorize connector, and then it is taking some time redirecting or checking your authentication, and now asking it to. So I have two this thing, personal account and my company. So I will take my company account. I will do all repositories for now. I will do it because this is all for the community and for our academy. Now it is going to ask you for an authentic code. So this is something that all of you, I'm just pausing the video till I get my code. So I am getting my code and I am putting it here. Once this is done, it is going to connect your ChatGPT with your Codex environment. Now there are a lot of repositories that are there. You can what you can do is you can agent internet access, you can keep it off or on. So internet access will be disabled after the setup. Codex will only be used to dependencies installed by the setup script. So you can keep it on or off. So for now I think I can keep the internet access on so that it gets more information that is there. Now coming to repository, so what is there in our AI residency, just to keep it simple for now, because I don't want to create a new project as of now with whatever I have, with whatever access, because you need to have something in your GitHub to for it to work. So now I am doing this, explain the code base. So whatever I have in my AI residency, I want to explain it to all of you, and then maybe I can ask you to create a updated readme file about this. So once I do start task, then it is working asynchronously. It is working with all these three tasks that are there. Everything is fresh. So it is not able to, it is because it is loading for the first time. So it is so now if you can see, it is identifying, it is doing parallel, it is doing some parallel tasks as we speak, and once I have clicked this, you can see install dependencies, so finishing setup. So this is something that it is doing. It is running command till it loads. What it is doing, that it is trying to find some bugs that are there. If you want to see the details, it is looking at everything and trying to understand what all is happening. It is first of all, let us go to explain code base to a newcomer. So once I open, as the repo is a collection of notebook, so it tells us everything that is there in our particular notebook, what all information is there, what all type of projects are there. If you can see in amazing details, this is something that is amazing that you all want to have a look. So it works for this for 1 minute 5 seconds. This is the first task that it has done. Proposed task for typo, and it has done something like typo and everything. It has given you some proposed changes for that, and it is doing multiple things, if you can see, and right now, just now, find explain code base structure. Again it has done something, I don't know. General, it is giving you the general structure. So can I just do here something like update the readme.md file with a brief description of this repo for AI for users. So let us see if it is able to take this task or not. Update the readme file for users. So let us do code. So this is one task that I have given. Install dependencies. Let me click this. So update readme. So can you see this, what it is doing? It is starting container. So it is trying to update this, but let us see whether it is going to update. So if you can see, decoding data science AI residency, it is connected to our main branch. So you can also have different branches as well. So let us try to do this activity. It is running command. If you can open this, so it is finding all these things. It is in the end, it is in the back end, it is doing all the work. It is trying to find the readme file. And let us see what it gives us as an output. It is running. So the other things I have ran, if you can see, this is there are some bugs here that have been reported, but this is something that we are going to look at. So now it is checking the get status. It is sending the request to change. One file change, 6 insertions, completing the task. So it has tried to do this. So this repository contains a notebook. So now this is something that they have done here. So now this is something that is amazing. So they have done something here for you. So now they are not automatically updating this. So if I want to go to my current GitHub, if I go to my current GitHub decoding data science, if I open my repository AI residency, you will see that the readme file is empty. It is just written AI residency. So this is already written, and now they are telling they are going to add these 6 lines, which it looks fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do create a pull request. So directly it is not going to go and change my GitHub page. It is I have to send a request, pull request. So now it has sent a pull request. So now you can view the pull request. So this is the good thing and I really like about it. So now if you can see, add a short description. It is asking me to add a short description for the AI residency repo, and this is a task, and you checked everything. You can open the task and you can check it here. That is there, and this is the task. So it is giving you this details, and then if you have to review this, update readme overview, and then you say, oh yeah, it looks fine. I just do merge. So you will do merge request from decoding data science, and you will do confirm merge. So this is something good, right? As a coder, you cannot just randomly update things. Make sure everything is fine, and then you do it. So you can just say, add a comment. You can say updated from first update from Codex. So this is the new professional level of coding that is there. So once I comment, I also write a comment, and I do it merge. Now if I go and I go back to my residency and I open my readme file that has been there, you can see this particular thing has come here. So this is something that is amazing, right?
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.